Can you weld brass? Absolutely, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. First, we cut our brass plate on the bandsaw. We then take those pieces over to the weld table and prepare for welding. Using the excess plate, we cut strips of brass to use as filler rod. A good rule of thumb is to cut these about the thickness of your tungsten. We then weld our joint incrementally, avoiding too much heat placement in one area at a time. Make sure your weld looks to have good penetration with no porosity. We then remove the weld using a flap disc and a hook and loop sanding pad on the grinder, finishing with a pneumatic sander. Next, we are welding these brass screws through the plate. After drilling our holes, we countersink them so that the head of the screw sits right below the surface. Next, we're back under the hood to weld the screw heads and then finish them off with the grinder. The last step of the process is to hand sand the brass to give it a clean brush finish. The only thing left to do is to stand back and admire this beautiful range hood. So now you know.